What up, ladies? Check this place out. This place is called Leisure Time Motocross, and good lord, is it like a redneck paradise. Look, there's literally like a shack over here, and that's where you start off, and we're just in the middle of the woods, and it's like a sand pit. The main thing that I'm like thinking about that I don't know what's gonna happen is, first of all, never been to just a real motocross place. Secondly, this is thick sand, so this ought to get interesting. Oh lord, it's actually not that bad so far. We'll see. I aired down the tire a bit in the back, and it already seems to be making a difference. Wow, I mean, this is gonna be a fight, I can tell you that. It's really sandy. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna do what you guys said, which is try to hold on with my legs and not with the woo! Almost ate it. Okay, hold on with the legs really helps. Oh, then you get to a turn. This place is fun, man. But I gotta tell you, whew. It's exhausting stuff. It's the turns, man. Turns are scary. Oh my gosh, don't stand up. To the turns, stay seated, learn that one. Dude, this is sick. Okay, shift down, stay on the front, let her eat. Shift down, take up the bumps, almost wipe out. Saw that one coming. I gotta take a breather. That was a lot. I'm good, yeah. Motocross people seem really nice. Hands hurt. It's hot. It seems that when you're coming to a stop like this, pulling the clutch in helps a lot. Feels really weird having my knees up against the bike, but it gives me a little bit of stability. Okay, so this is where I did that last time. Shit, and on the same one, pissing me off. Now, how much do you stay seated and how much do you not stay seated? Over the bumps, you can't stay seated. Over the turns, you must. Seems. Oh, don't let her dig in. Can't pull the clutch over a jump though. Just learned that one. Woo! Back end kicked out real nice over that jump. That does help. Keeping her in the higher revs. Is that more like it, guys? That feels more like it. You gotta let her kind of fall over to where she digs in and then push it out of there. Woo! My God, that was definitely the best I've done yet. I think this might be the final run for me today. I'm getting pretty tired. Oh, look at these fellows wiping out. Yeah, they're getting tired too. That's what happens when you start getting tired. Whoa! Breathing heavy. Mom spaghetti. Woo! A little booter on the end of that one. Oh yes! Okay, motocross on sand. Very fun. I'm exhausted. Okay. Whew. That's it, brothers. We'll see y'all later. Bye.